Shalom. Yesterday we meditated on Jesus doing good things in other people's lives, and we are like Lazarus in the grave. Today, let us meditate a step further that we are in the grave and Jesus is walking towards us, and we are eager. Let us presume that our soul wanders and we can see things, or even though we are dead, we can see what is happening around us. Now, what will be the thing I and you will focus on? Will I and you focus on our brothers and sisters, family members, that is Martha and Mary? Or I and you will focus on our friends, our beloved ones who were there with us on that day? Or I and you will go to the places where we liked things the most? Or I and you will go in search of people around us? No, the right thing would be, even though we are emotional about some attachments around us, we will go in search of Jesus. Because we know only if we receive Jesus, only if Jesus comes to the grave and speaks the word, and only if we are in union with Jesus, that we can be truly alive. Until this point, even though our soul can wander, even though we can go to every place possible, we will not be able to be united with Jesus and therefore not do anything. Therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, today the Lord is calling us into a special grace to love Him, to know Him, and to serve Him truly. Am I and you connected with Jesus? This is another step deeper as we walk in the Lord. To connect to Jesus, we will have to leave our attachments. Probably we may think friends are important, people are important, things are important, pleasures are important. Let us remember, in this world, if you have to achieve great things, maybe the things that you're doing may seem right to you. But if you are able to enjoy something and God gives you the grace without which you will not be able to receive it. Many times people earn a lot of money, but they are unable to enjoy it. People work very hard and are successful, but are unable to bear the fruits of their success. Somebody else comes for help and they are able to receive the reward. But the person who is successful has no reward, only name and power. But his personal reward is not met. Therefore, let us surrender to God and make a short prayer. Mighty Lord, help us to experience you. Help us to know that we require you more deeply. Arabashiri abaluki galagalaba babashiri galagalara, Alabashiri galagalara, Babashiri galagala, Raidali abashuli galagalara, Babashiri galagalara, Baba, Raidali galagala, Bashiri. Shalom.